We tell stories every day, and no matter who you want to be when you grow up, being a strong storyteller can help you articulate your wildest dreams and goals. My name is Mariama J. Lockington, and I am an award-winning author, educator, and speaker.
Are leaders, right? I think we often say like, oh, you're going to be a future leader, but in my experience, young people are leading things right now, right? Like before you're even 18, you're leading change.
I know from my 15 plus years of experience working in education that young people are incredibly resilient, innovative, and have amazing, authentic stories to tell. And oftentimes, they just need a little help getting started. And that's where I come in. I am now booking author visits, workshops, and speaking engagements for the upcoming academic year. I am available for in-person or virtual events and can tailor my approach to best fit your student or audience needs.
Poetry is sort of my creative home, but I like to write all different types of things.
So let's write together and tell each other stories and find our little spots of joy and connection.